मॉर्निंग डीपीएस, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप यू ऑल आर सेफ at your home. This is your very own physical education teacher, Arun Pandey. Today we will discuss basic rules, fundamental skill, and ground measurement of the volleyball. And first of volleyball game is let's discuss about the history of the volleyball game. History. In 1895, William G. Morgan invented a new game called Mintonette. However, when unobserved saw the game, he noticed volleying action used to get the ball over the net, so called. Say he named is volleyball. Volleyball is now recognized an international game. The International Volleyball Association was established in year 1947 and head office in Paris. Volleyball is now recognized international game. The first volleyball world championship was held at Paraguay in 1949, and the first Asian volleyball championship is held at Tokyo in 1955. In India, the Volleyball Federation was formed in the year of 1951. After the history, second is rules of the volleyball. First, all international matches are played to the best of 5 sets. Second, the captain of both the team toss a coin to decide end and the service. Third, after each set, teams will be changed their ends. When the teams have won the same number of sets, they shall be changed their ends automatically. But the service will be go to same team which was doing the time of change. Next, service area is equal to the width of court 9 meter. Next, attack line is extended outside the court using dotted marking line. The dotted line marking line is 1.75 meter. Introduction of the player called libero. Now, one more new player is in the volleyball team called libero, who is only a defensive player. He is not permitted to serve, smash from the attacking area and rotate. His dress is different from the players, and the back of the t-shirt written libero. Color of ball are permitted. Colorful ball are permitted. Say white, yellow and blue. See, ball is there, blue and yellow. Point system has changed. Every service has a point like in a table tennis. The fifth set is of 15 points. Late service is not allowed. You have only 8-second time. During the 8-second time, if you are not doing service, this is fault. You delay service. First service receiving allowed by any part of the body. Any part of the body means any part like this: head, hands, chest, hip, everywhere. The length of the net is 9.50 meter and width is 1 meter. The height of antenna is 1.80 meter. The antenna is fixed in the net for 1 meter and the rest 80 centimeter above the net. The distance between center line and attack line 3 meter. Center line to attack line 3 meter. The distance between the in the line of attack line is 6 meter. attack line to end line 6 meter. The weight of the volleyball. The weight of the volleyball from 260 gram to 280 gram. The circumference of the volleyball is 65 centimeter to 67 centimeter. The height of the net for men 2.43 meter and for women is 2.24 meter. Tell you how to take underhand pass. First, thumb should be parallel like this. Wrist should be together. Wrist should be together. Thumb should be parallel and wrist should be together. See, and thumb should be together. Make a narrow of V with both arms. Make a narrow V with both arms. Put on palm over the other and bring the both thumbs parallel like this. Put on palm over the other and bring both thumbs parallel like this. Shoulders should be loose and back rounded. Shoulders should be loose and back. Base of feet, but it out of the hands on knee should that there should be here like this. Basic of feet, but is out with hands on knee so that there should be space for good throw like this. Left step should be behind the right step. See, means diagonal stance. Diagonal stance will be always used. Now first underhand pass. First is stance. Stance like this, diagonal stance. Second is position of hand like this. Third, contact with ball. Now this part. And fourth, contact with ball, and fourth is follow through. The first is stance. Second, your knee bend. Third, position of hand. Fourth, contact with ball. And fifth, it's now dimension of the volleyball ground is full ground length. 18 meter long. This 18 meter long and 9 meter width. 9 meter width. And center line to attack line 3 meter is called attack line, and attack line to end line 6 meter. Now next, height of the net for man 2.43 meter and for women 2.24 meter. Now pass. See, what is the position? I told you already. First, see. Position of hand, straight, thumb should be parallel, wrist together.
Yeah.
Now during the lockdown, अंडर पास कहीं भी किसी को कहीं बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। हम लोग ये स्किल अंडर एंड पास का अपने घर में ही कर सकते हैं। कोई भी वॉल एक ले लेंगे, उसमें भी हम लोग ट्रेन कर सकते हैं ऐसे। फिर 10 मिनट्स के बाद 2 या 3 मिनट का रेस्ट, फिर उसके बाद 10 मिनट्स कंटिन्यू। ये हम लोग को ध्यान में रखना होगा कि हम लोग का जो हैंड्स का पोजीशन है, जो रिस्ट का पोजीशन है, जो हमारा स्टांस है, वो हमारा अंडर एंड पार्ट स्किल को एवरीडे हम लोग घर में कर सकते हैं। किसी को कहीं बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप अपने घर में ये स्किल कर सकते हैं और 50-100 कंटिन्यू हम लोग कर सकते हैं। इसको जितना करेंगे उतना परफेक्शन होगा। नाउ आफ्टर द अंडर हैंड पास आई हैव नो न्यू स्किल हाउ टू डू अंडर हैंड सर्विस. Service is a very important part in a volleyball. So today we will learn how to do underhand service. First, hold the ball in left hand. If you are a right-hander, then hold the ball in the left hand. If you are left-hander, then you hold the ball in left hand. Hold the ball left hand should be down low. Means here. Down low means here. In right hand should be make a fist. Fist means close your fingers like this. Arms should be straight. Arms should be straight means your hitting hand should be straight like this. Hold the ball low near the waist level. Your hitting hand should be straight. Your right hand here. With right hand we should hit the ball. Toss the ball and right hand hit the ball. With right hand hit the ball. All weight should be transferred from the back to front. All weight should be transferred from back to front. Means toss the ball and hit like this. The momentum should be go with ball. Here and should be straight like this and toss the ball and hit like this. हम सर्विस के लिए जाएंगे तो ये ध्यान में रखेंगे कि ये लाइन जो है इन लाइन है उसको हम लोग को टच नहीं करना है। जब भी सर्विस करेंगे हम लोग बिहाइंड द लाइन, stand behind the line and position our same stance Second, pull the ball. Move. Third, position of hand. You toss the ball and swing. अगर हम सर्विस करते वक्त अगर मेरा पैर इस लाइन को टच कर गया मीन्स ये रॉन्ग सर्विस। जब भी हमको खड़ा रहना है बॉल सर्विस के लिए ये पैर हमारा लाइन के ठीक पीछे होना चाहिए। अगर बॉल सर्विस के वक्त ये लाइन को अगर हम टच कर दिए मीन्स ये फॉल है। इसलिए ये हम लोग को ऑलवेज ध्यान में रखना है कि जब भी हम खड़ा होंगे हम लोग को लाइन के पीछे खड़ा रहना है, तभी वहाँ से हम लोग सर्विस कर सकते हैं। Underhand service means underhand. Second is floating service, means called tennis service. See, this is called tennis service, means floating service. Now next is line judgment. Means sideline, where is the sideline, where is the end line, who is the attack line, where is the center line, and everything. Now today, in this video, we learn first is history of the volleyball, second, rules of the volleyball, third is dimension of the volleyball court, and fourth is underhand pass, and fifth is underhand service. Now, in your next video, we will learn more skill of volleyball. Now, fundamental skill of volleyball. The 6 basic volleyball fundamental skills are, first is passing, like this, passing. Second is blocking, like this. Third is setting. Fourth is service, is underhand service, tennis service. Every service is very important. Service. And fifth is spiking, attacking in same. Now next is general exercise and specific exercise. A specific exercise means related to your games. General exercise means कि हम लोग गए 2-4 राउंड दौड़े, अपने बॉडी का टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज किए, उस काम को टास्क को पूरा करने के लिए हम लोगों ने वार्म अप किया. बट रिलेटेड टू योर गेम्स you have some specific exercise for the volleyball. I will show you. It does the sideline. First string like this. Hold knee band. Your hand position is here. Now means go. Side running means side running. Your hand position is same. Touch the line. Then touch the line. Right hand. Go your left. Touch your line in left hand. Come forward. Touch the center line. Go back. Next is 9 meter, 6 meter and 3 meter line touch. Start running. First touch the center line. Go back. Touch the in line. Touch the attack line. Today in this video, we learn so many things. First is history of the volleyball. Second is rules of the volleyball. Third is dimension of the volleyball court. And fourth is underhand pass. And fifth is underhand service. And some specific side related to your volleyball. I hope you all are enjoying the video. In our next video, we will learn more skill of volleyball. Means like this: blocking, attacking, setting, digging, and some specific exercise for the volleyball. Okay, bye and have a good day. God bless you.